Hi, so first of all, go to Window, Workspace, and choose 3D. Now go to Layers, create a new layer, and select the horizontal type 2. I'll be using white for the text color. And this is the font, Alloy STD Bold. So type your text. Adjust the position. And I think I'll center it to the background layer. Select the horizontal type tool again and click here on 3D. This converts the text layer to a 3D layer. The next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go right here in the properties panel. I'm gonna go to coordinates, and you can open the properties panel by going to Window Properties. If you don't find it, now here I will rotate the X rotation angle to 90 degrees. Just type 90 and hit enter. Make sure that the move tool is selected, and here you can, this is our top view. If I want to view this text like this, so select the current view here in the 3D panel. Select the camera icon here, and for the view choose top. Now we are having this infinite light. I'll click on it to select it. Here it is in the 3D panel. In the properties window where it says type, just change it to a point light. And let me resize this so I can see better. Okay. Now I'll click on move to view so it's right in the center, and I can more easily adjust it. I'll drag this blue arrow upwards, and I already like the way this looks. But I also feel like I should move it a bit to the side, so this time drag the red arrow to move the point line along the X. And this looks nice. So what's left is I'm gonna add some softness to the shadow, like 27%. I'll type 27% here for the shadow softness, and I'll increase the light intensity a bit to, let's see, 400. I think 600 looks kinda nice. Now what's left is to go to 3D and choose render 3D layer. And the render process starts. Now you should wait I don't know how long, but maybe in half an hour you'll get pretty good results. Maybe longer, but it will be worth it.